Do you want a remodel that'll give you back 74.8% of its value? The answer is hiding in your bathroom. Your bathroom might just be Colorado's most underrated investment hack. In 2025, Denver bathroom remodels offer an average of 74.8% of return of investment. That's 7% higher than the national average. From walk-in showers to energy-efficient upgrades, small changes lead to big returns. And if you're in Washington Park or the Highlands, you'll see homes sell up to 32% faster after a bathroom remodel. Are you ready to upgrade? Don't just dream, remodel smarter. Hit the link to get your free quote today.